In this video, we will demonstrate how to change the barrel in your adhesive dispensing system, helping you maintain optimal performance. Before proceeding, ensure the following items are available to facilitate a safe and efficient barrel change: safety glasses, a safety lock, clean rags, a material disposal bucket, and Vaseline. So for the first step, because we're in the Innovation Center, I'm going to simulate the barrel shutting off. The next step would be to shut the pump air supply valve off and lock it out with the safety lock. Turn the key to barrel change mode, then press the barrel change on button. Unscrew the T-handle from the follower plate ventilation hole. Screw the ventilation tube into the follower plate ventilation hole. Connect the ventilation hose to the ventilation tube. Press the elevator up button while simultaneously ventilating the barrel by briefly pressing the barrel ventilation valve several times until the follower plate has moved up to the limit stop. Remove the empty barrel from the barrel pump. Clean the sealing rings of the follower plate and the bottom at the ventilation hole. Using a tool such as a flat putty knife, remove the deposited material. Coat the follower plate sealing rings with a silicone-free grease. Pull the ventilation hose off of the ventilation tube. Unscrew the ventilation tube from the ventilation hole of the follower plate. Ensure that the barrel sits precisely centrally under the follower plate. Press the elevator down button until the material is visible in the ventilation hole of the follower plate. Keep the threaded portion of the ventilation hole clean by stopping before the material contacts the threads. Screw the T-handle back into the ventilation hole of the follower plate. Remove your safety lock and open the pneumatic pump valve. Place a bucket under the manual valve and carefully open the manual valve. Press pump 1 on until the material discharging from the manual valve is free of air bubbles. Close the manual valve. Remove the bucket from under the manual valve. Press barrel change off. Turn the key into automatic position, and your pump is now ready for operation. The barrel replacement process is now complete and your system is ready for use. If you have any additional questions or need additional support, please feel free to contact the Atlas Copco team.